Hi guys, we'll call this a Postbag video, although it's sort of half and half. I just went round to Screwfix to pick up this telescopic ladder, which will open anyway. Left Nanny in the shower. When I came back, we've had a postal delivery. So I think Nanny had finished showering before she had to go and answer the door. Anyway, I know what this is. It should be a couple more induction coils. A different brand this time, so we'll have a quick look at it. Right. Well, I've got to say it looks pretty much identical. Oh, on the one that I've got, or the previous one I've got, those are folded flat. I think that's the only difference. Let's have a look. There we go. That's the previous one, which I killed by getting it wet. And that's the replacement. I don't think I can see any difference between the two, other than, as I say, those were actually folded flat. Oh, are they a different size? Ah, they might possibly be bigger on there. Right, this is the old one. 600 volt AC, 1200 volt DC, 50 kilohertz. That's a different brand, isn't it? No, it isn't. MKPH. MKPH. Oh, focus. 0.33 microfarad. New one. 0.3 microfarad. Yeah. Well, they might be different brands, but they're the same value. The new ones were very slightly cheaper than the old ones, but not much in it. So, we'll give them a try. Back to the box, I'll just open it. I've taken the packaging off it. So I've got a nice cardboard box to do something with. I expect you can save that plastic bag. Instructions. Instructions anyway. When extending ladder, place one foot on the bottom rung to stabilise the ladder and pull upwards on the top two support rings until the section locks. Repeat until fully extended. If you do not intend to use the full length, leave the rungs that have not been extended at the top. That's so it's thicker. Yeah. So, if I just want to extend it a little bit, I should be extending it from there. And leave the unextended ones at the top. Okay, good that I read that, because I'd have probably done it the other way round. Although it does show you that there. Right, well, an extending ladder. I haven't fully extended it, there's still 2 more rungs to go. That gives you an idea. And then it all collapses down and I can put it in the boot of the car. So you've even got little red and green indicators to let you know whether they're locked in place properly. So that one's not quite right. And that one's not locked at all. There we are. We can reach the security camera. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.